Hi there, welcome to Sonero and thank you for giving us a try. Here's a quick demo of all the cool insights you get from our product. First up, next steps and action items. As you can see, we identify all the different next steps, action items, and follow-ups discussed in your meeting automatically. So for example, if you say, hey, I'll share this document with you later, our AI is smart enough to identify that as an action item. And the cooler part is that we also tell you the rightful owners of these action items and you can notify them with the click of a button. Next step is the meeting recap. This is where we tell you all the essential highlights of the meeting, the key points discussed, important topics that we brought up, and a summary of each of these topics are all surfaced here so that you can be up to date at a quick glance. Q&As is where our AI engine pulls all the questions that were asked along with their corresponding answers. As you can imagine, this is incredibly powerful in understanding the knowledge that was shared in your meetings. You also get the full transcript of the meeting. It's fully searchable, distinguished between multiple speakers, and editable. You can also click anywhere to play the respective part directly from the recording. Analytics. This is where all the cool data about your meeting lives. So if you'd like to know who took up all the time talking, the sentiment of the different speakers over the course of a meeting, dominant talking points in the conversation, and other interesting things, you can find them all here. The Notes tab is a little space to add comments and additional information about the meeting. You can also create bookmarks to highlight key moments in the meeting, which are stored and can be played back later here. You can share this meeting with others very easily and password protect them if needed. Finally, you can also request feedback on how the meeting went from other participants, where they can rate the meeting on its effectiveness. Couple other features to highlight quickly. First, global search. Say I'd like to know which meeting did I talk about a particular topic in. I can go here, enter the topic, and boom, I get the meeting right away. Another cool feature is if you're connected to Google Calendar, we pull your scheduled meetings and show them here. You can add agenda topics and collaborate on what you need to discuss with other participants. This obviously helps you structure your meetings, but the cooler thing is that our AI will use these agenda topics to give you more relevant insights after the meeting. The last thing I'd like to highlight is that you can invite your team members, which allows you to view each other's meetings and collaborate more easily. Thanks again for signing up, and please let us know if you have any feedback. Bye for now.